Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Sasio. Alright, this evening I would like to promote this noodle. We call what noodle, cheap good noodle, this restaurant, because this noodle with soup, what? The price only 25,000 here. It's very tall, delicious. It's very tall, famous nowadays. Now the location is Sare, one of the village in Great Aceh. This is the best cleaner when I was at the time to promote like Mimidi, and then Laul noodle, and then like Miaya. This is the most delicious, but it's nice. This is the most delicious thing, because sometimes I mix with with meat, but today I order like cheap. This is very delicious. Alright, if you want to visit Aceh, like Indonesia or Aceh, this is very tall, famous nowadays. Not only Chinese people, like a man, sell like this noodle, Aceh noodle, very tall, famous, not only in Indonesia but also Europe, United States, or United Kingdom. Those people sell this noodle. Oh God, very tall, delicious. Can you imagine that? So just one more time, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because in my YouTube channel just promoting like Aceh, kingdom, culinary, 5 countries. We got a lot of tourists together Aceh. Since after hit by coronavirus 2019, so many tourists visiting Aceh, just because this pandemic made us worse. No tourists visiting to Aceh, exactly. Right, that's my time. Thank you for like and subscribe my YouTube channel.